Hi everyone, today we are going to learn a new remedy, that is Vinca minora. This Vinca minora, generally it is called as in lesser periwinkle, or in the India it is also called as in barmasi, because the flowers in this plant are always seen, means it is seen all the year, all the time. So it is called as in barmasi. So in this plant, generally there are various actions usually seen on that of the female. But main action according to the CM Boger is on the skin, on the hair and on the female organs, that is female genital organs. So the first main point of the action, if we see in the pathology, is the astringent action of the Vinca minora. Means there are different conditions, we can say, during the time of climacteric period or even the post climacteric period seen in the female. Due to that type of the disorders like the menorrhagia, metrorrhagia, all these different problems are going to be seen in the climacteric age. So for that, we can say, to control the bleeding, the Vinca minora can be used, because the Vinca minora is having this astringent property. So what is the astringent property? The astringent means the ability to go for constriction. The constriction specially it is of the blood vessels. So suppose when the bleeding is going to occurring from any part or any blood vessel or any capillary, when the Vinca minora is to be applied in that area or given to the person, immediately the action will occur and the vasoconstriction of the blood vessel will be occurring. Because of that, the bleeding which was occurring continuously for the long period of the time, because of which there was a prostration, weakness and sensation in them as if they are going to die, which is a very much important symptom in the Vinca minora, that is going to be stopped. Because the bleeding will be stopped, so the feeling of the weakness which was coming because of this continuous bleeding, that will be stopped. So the astringent property of the Vinca minora is very important to stop the bleeding disorders in the female. So it is like that Richard Hughes has recorded different cases also, in which one of the case was of the carcinoma, which was not completely cured with the Vinca minora, but the bleeding which was occurring from the uterus was so much profuse, which was acutely being controlled by the action of Vinca minora's astringent action. So that is the important property of the Vinca minora. The flow of the blood which is seen in the female is like that of the sabina in the post-climacteric age. It is also like that of the Eustilaco, which is continuously flowing and flowing till the weakness and debility is going to be seen in them. So one of the important concomitant symptom is prostration, weakness present in each and every complaint in the Vinca minora. The other action we can say, as the Vinca minora is of the Sycotic miasm, so the hair is also having the sphere of action in them. So basically the hair is also having the grayness in their appearance, or usually we can say there will be the hair loss appearing in them. But this hair loss is not completely from all over the head, but it is from a particular spots. So it is the specific appearance of the Vinca minora. There are the presence of bald spots are present in them. So this bald spots, usually the circular spots which we are going to see, that is a peculiar character. Alopecia areola, which we call, that is a peculiar character of the Sycotic miasm which we see in the Vinca minora. And after the hair fall from that area, in that bald spots, the new hair which are going to grow, that will be grey in appearance. So just by looking we can say as if they are very much old in their age, like that. And the hair is also very much mated in appearance. They are completely tangled with each other. That is also important character of the Sycotic miasm. So that is the action on the hair. So because of this only, there is a terminology, Plica, polonica, the entangled hair, mated hair. Because of the eczematous discharge also, the Plica polonica is a terminology which is used here. And as it is also having the action on skin, the skin is also responsible for causing the humid type of eruptions. These humid eruptions means the discharge is occurring from that type of eruption. So this eruption, they are called as a weeping type of eczema. This weeping eczema, when it is going to be appearing in the scalp, the hair are going to become entangled. That is the Plica polonica. So these actions are going to be covered by the Vinca minora. So it's a very small remedy of the sycotic miasm, but very important for the controlling of the hemorrhages. Even not only the cancerous condition, but the pre-cancerous condition, because we can say the sycotic miasm is also called as a forerunner of the carcinomatous condition. Means before the development of the carcinomatous condition, means before the malignancy, the benign nature of the growths are going to be seen. So usually in the females, the fibroid growths which are present, due to which the bleeding is going to be seen, that is menorrhagia type of bleeding, that is having the action by Vinca minora. So Vinca minora will control the bleeding occurring from the fibroid growths, and also in the post-climatic or even in the climatic age, because of the any other carcinomatous conditions also. So that's all for Vinca minora. Hope you like. Thank you.